Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. Welcome back to my channel. On this very video, we're gonna be making mayonnaise. Yes, homemade mayonnaise with fresh egg from the farm. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell. Putting on the notification bell will get you notified each time I upload a new video. And these are all the list of the ingredients I am using for this mayonnaise recipe. Adding black pepper is optional, but you want to make sure you get a very good and fresh egg for your mayonnaise. So I start by adding my egg, my black pepper, salt into my food processor, and then I will start processing and adding my olive oil. You can choose to use avocado oil, depends on your choice, and you can choose to add mustard if you choose to, but I just prefer mine like this. So I will start adding the olive oil while it is processing. You want to stop adding the oil once you get the consistency you're looking for. Do not add your oil once to your processing mayonnaise. You want to make sure you add it little by little and process until you get it. So I will just open and check to see. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna process it a bit more and add my other ingredients to it and process it more to get that lighter and brighter color, and then adding my vinegar, my lemon juice. So this is how it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it tastes so good. It tastes so amazing. You can just transfer this into a jar and keep it in your refrigerator for at least 1 week, and it is ready. So bye until next video.